Mitraya Namaha. Invoke the stars into your life by the powerful star call meditation, Nakshatra Dhyanam, guided astro healing galaxy vibrations invoked by your humble gardener, Kesharamitra, VSP 1080. Experience the stars swiping away all confusions and blockages in your life. Whether you identify your birth star or not, simply invoke all the stars into your meditation zone and let the healing happen. Things begin to happen in your favor and you'll be protected from the mishaps. However, you can avoid doing this if you lack faith in the esoteric system which is attuned for your highest good and for the universal well-being. The 27 power stars that influence your life based on the astrological theories. The positive energies of the 27 power stars will penetrate into your life system and clear away all the negative influences and harmful impacts that hold on strongly to your most important happenings in your life. Be with me. This is the voice of Kesharamitra. I am initiating you. Inhale and exhale. Sit in a comfortable posture. Get ready for the wonderful Nakshatra Dhyanam. Keep your backbone straight. First, establish a rhythmic breathing. Inhale and exhale. While you are inhaling and exhaling, keep the tip of your tongue connected to the roof of your mouth, the palate. Visualize Surya Narayana high in the sky, the sun god. The 7 horses galloping at full speed. Anura, the charioteer, driving the chariot. And Surya giving light to the entire universe. Exactly opposite to Surya is Chandra, moon. And surrounded by the moon are the millions of planets, millions of stars. Inhale and exhale. Now we are accessing the 27 astro stars. The 27 power stars that influence your life based on the astrological theories. Take a deep breath down to the edge of your spinal cord. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Before you begin or plunge into this meditation, think of your mother and father and touch their feet. Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava. Make a promise to yourself that you will never be the cause of tears in anyone's eyes. Be cool, calm, balanced, and surrender to the system in faith. Watch your backbone glowing like an unbreakable, flexible neon light. Now we are invoking the Nakshatra Shakti for the Nakshatra Dhyanam. Simply follow the guided meditation. Keep on inhaling and exhaling rhythmically. Visualize all the negativities clear away from your body. Step by step, you will be spoon-fed. Naguroradhikam tattvam, naguroradhikam tapaha, tattvajnanat param nasti, tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Gruni Surya Aditya Om, Gruni Surya Aditya Purnanandaya Om. Look at the beautiful galaxy. See the shining stars. Visualize the energy of the stars focusing upon you. Draw their attention by your rhythmic breathing. This meditation can totally transform you for good. It can change your entire life system. Inhale and exhale rhythmically. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Ashwini Devata Nasatyakilanam. Ashwini Devatam Avahayami. Ashwini Nakshatra Shaktimavahayami. Om Lakshmiyai Namaha. Yamadharmaraja Kilanam. Bharani Nakshatramavahayami. Om Agnaye Namaha. Agni Kilanam. Kritika Nakshatramavahayami. Om Namo Narayanaya. Prajapati Kilanam. Rohini Nakshatramavahayami. Om Agnaye Namaha. Chandrakilanam. Mrugashira Nakshatramavahayami. Om Dum Durgaye Namaha. Rudrakilanam. Arudra Nakshatra Shaktimavahayami. Om Indraya Namaha. Aditi Kilanam. Punarvasu Nakshatra Shaktimavahayami. Om Brahmane Namaha. Bruhaspati Kilanam. Pushyami Nakshatra Shaktimavahayami. Om Vishnave Namaha. Sarpakilanam. Asresha Nakshatra Shaktimavahayami. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Pitarau Kilanam. Makha Nakshatra Shaktimavahayami. Om Mahalakshmiyai Namaha. Bhagu Kilanam. Pubba Nakshatra Shaktimavahayami. Om Vahniye Namaha. Aryana Kilanam. Uttara Nakshatra Shaktimavahayami. Om Dum Durgaye Namaha. Bhaskara Kilanam. Hasta Nakshatra Shaktimavahayami. Om Indraye Namaha. Vishwakarma Kilanam. Chitta Nakshatra Shaktimavahayami. Om Parabrahmane Namaha. Vayu Kilanam. Swati Nakshatra Shaktimavahayami. Om Vishnave Namaha. Indra Agni Kilanam. Vishakha Nakshatra Shaktimavahayami. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Mitra Kilanam. Anuradha Nakshatra Shaktimavahayami. Om Lakshmiye Namaha. Indra Kilanam. Jyeshtha Nakshatra Shaktimavahayami. Om Agnaye Namaha. Nirutya Kilanam. मूला नक्षत्रशक्तिमावाहयामि। ॐ नारायणाय नमः। उदककीलनं पूर्वाषाढ नक्षत्रशक्तिमावाहयामि। ॐ अग्नये नमः। विश्वे देवताकीलनम् उत्तराषाढ नक्षत्रशक्तिमावाहयामि। ॐ दुर्गायै नमः। विष्णुकीलनं श्रवणा नक्षत्रशक्तिमावाहयामि। ॐ इन्द्राय नमः। वसुकीलनं धनिष्ठा नक्षत्रशक्तिमावाहयामि। ॐ परब्रह्मणे नमः। वरुणकीलनं शतभिषा नक्षत्रशक्तिमावाहयामि। ॐ विष्णवे नमः। अजचरणकीलनं पूर्वाभाद्रा नक्षत्रशक्तिमावाहयामि। ॐ गं गणपतये नमः। अहिर्बुध्यकीलनं उत्तराभाद्रा नक्षत्रशक्तिमावाहयामि। ॐ महालक्ष्म्यै नमः। पूषकीलनं रेवती नक्षत्रशक्तिमावाहयामि। Invoke the powers of the 27 stars from the galaxy. Invoke Ashwini, Bharani, Kritika, Rohini, Mrugashira, Arudra, Punarvasu, Pushyami, Asresha, Makha, Pubba, Uttara, Hasta, Chitta, Swati, Vishakha, Anuradha, Jyeshtha, Moola, Purvashada, Uttarashada, Sravana, Dhanishta, Shatabhisha, Purvabhadra, Uttarabhadra and Ravati nakshatras. These are the 27 power stars. Invoke them. Inhale deeply. Feel the glowing, shining stars falling upon you gently. Inhale and exhale. Do not disturb yourself. Do nothing but breathing and visualization. Keep on inhaling and exhaling. As you inhale, you are withdrawing the positive energies of the nakshatra mandala from the stars of the galaxies. As you exhale, you are relieving yourself from all the tensions, worries and problems. Inhale deeply. Visualize positive bright light going into your body as you inhale the oxygen. Exhale all the negativities going out like the carbon dioxide. Keep your backbone straight and watch it. It is glowing like an unbreakable, flexible neon light. Feel the bright light penetrating into your crown chakra through the Brahmarandra. See the entire brain is illuminated. Inhale and exhale. Watch the frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe and occipital lobe. Everything, the whole brain, left side, right side, front side and back side of your brain is totally bright. This is the voice of Keshara Mitra, pulling out all the negativities away from you permanently and initiating into the positive stream of life. Inhale and exhale. Aditya Sakshi Sampurna Raksha. Nakshatra Dhyanam. Guided Astro Healing Galaxy Vibrations. Keshara Sutram 41248, 41248, 41248. I invoke the high energies. Invoke the stars into your life by the powerful star call meditation. Let each star attract your auric fields. Let each star smoothly fall upon your head and gently penetrate into your inner galaxy, your body. Let the sparkling lights and the glowing brightness splash into your system. Feel your whole body vibrating and bright with light. This is the best of the first experiences you ever had. Clear away all the negativities as I blow them away. Whew! Keep your eyes closed and take a deep breath down to the tip of your tailbone. Let all the worries, fears, anxieties, pains, sorrows, phobias, tensions, wrong programmings be shattered and evaporate. Let calmness and peace be restored within you. Let compassion, unconditional love, and the holy attitude of forgiveness shoot up from your roots. Let all the thoughts of hatred, vengeance, and chaos vanish. Trust me, this is the voice of Keshara Mitra, and the crystal clear initiation beams of the Master Channel help you to become a being of love. Invoke the powers of Chandra, the divine full moon energies, envelop your mind with noble thoughts and enhance your intellect. Datishankatushārābham Kshirodarnava Samudbhavam Namami Shishinam Somam Shambhor Makutabhushanam. Om Shram Shrim Shraum Sahachandramase Namaha. Visualize Chandra brightening your entire mind and your brain. Let the frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, and occipital lobe be cleansed and brightened to magnify the powers of righteous thinking. Let your medulla oblongata shine bright. Let the corpus callosum be bright with the light energy. Let creativity and universal love, kindness and calmness, strength and vigor be the vital composition that takes over you. Blow away all the negativities. Let laziness and procrastination flee. Let the prayers of every good human being, irrespective of caste, creed, region, or religion, manifest for their individual good and universal goodness. Let the harmful, poisonous thoughts die now. As you are inhaling the bright light energies of the nakshatras, relax your body. Concentrate upon your breath and allow the inhaled oxygen to cleanse your body at every breath, and visualize the outgoing exhalation carrying away and throwing out all the negativities inside you. Feel your entire body energized. Watch your 5 sheaths, the Annamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha, Vijnanamaya Kosha, and Anandamaya Kosha naturally expanding with the lights of the stars. Watch the Vibjayar colored 7 power chakras from within Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipuraka, Anahata, Vishuddha, Agnya, and Sahasrara chakras expanding for good. Blow away all the negativities. Inhale and exhale. Trust me. Be with me. The super 11 systems that run the human body shall be cleansed now. The circulatory system, which circulates the blood around the body via the heart, arteries and veins, shall be totally cleansed, shall keep your body temperature in the safest range. Inhale and exhale. Your digestive system and excretory system shall be cleansed. The gastrointestinal tract, including the mouth, esophagus, stomach, and intestines, glow bright. Eliminate all the negativities from the body. The hormones shall be balanced. Inhale. The influence of all the planets upon your body shall balance the entire endocrine system, the exocrine system, immune system and lymphatic system, which are very important to defend your body against pathogens and may harm the body. The system comprising the lymphatic vessels shall carry the fluid called lymph to every part to the right place. Inhale and exhale. Keep a watch upon your breath. Feel the light at your third eye junction. Your muscular system is strengthened. Your nervous system is totally active. Your excretory, renal, and urinary system are totally cleansed of all the negativities. Your reproductive system gains the total energies and the hormone balance. Your respiratory system is absorbing the oxygen and removing the carbon dioxide. Your entire skeletal system, the bones, are stronger. Your whole body is strengthened with the immune system. This is the voice of Keshara Mitra commanding all the negativities to be blown away. Accept it with love. You are in the inside chamber. Inhale and exhale. Receive the power initiations of the 27 nakshatras. Nakshatra Dhyanam. Feel the light penetrating all over into every inch and atom, cell and molecule of your body. See your liver, kidneys, pancreas totally cleansed. Keep on inhaling and exhaling. Take a deep breath down to the edge of your spinal cord and see the dazzling lights of the 27 stars inside you. Watch the stars. 3 stars, the cluster, shining at your third eye junction. 2 stars shining on both your cheeks inside. See the glow of the vital star at your throat. See the stars dazzling on your shoulders, at your navel point in your stomach, on the back of your body, into your thighs, into your legs, into your feet. Totally you are relaxed. Feel the stars glowing brightly. Inhale and exhale. Let all the negativities clear. If you have ever hurt anyone, mentally ask them an apology. Make a decision that you will change. Exercise control over your emotions. the nakshatras will help you. Inhale deeply. The cleansing keeps on happening. Do not disturb yourself. Your feet are totally cleansed. Visualize all the negativities going out of the soles of your feet and from the pores of your skin. You are inhaling good luck into your body. You are exhaling all the bad luck out. Inhale so much of good health into your body. Inhale fortunes. Exhale the misfortunes. Inhale peace. Exhale all the chaos. Inhale tolerance, compassion, love, and togetherness. Let the Ashwini Nakshatra clear away the blockages inside you. Ashwini, Makha, and Mula, the three nakshatra cluster, are going to clear away all the financial blockages in your life. Bharani, Pubba, and Purvashadha. These three nakshatras are going to bring speed into your life. Kritika, Uttara, and Uttarashadha. See them giving you name and fame. Rohini, Hasta, and Shravana nakshatras giving you a balance of mind. Mrugasira, Chitta, and Dhanishta nakshatras building up harmony and love between you and your family members. Arudra, Swati, and Satabhisha, they are going to set a clear goal to you and build up the self-confidence. Punarvasu, Vishakha, and Purvabhadra bring luck to you and drive away all the misfortunes from your life. Pushyami, Anuradha, and Uttarabhadra, they are going to give you clear goals and targets in your life to climb up the ladder. Asresha, Jeshtha, and Ravati, they guide you towards spirituality and liberation and moksha. Visualize the set of 27 power stars which influence your entire life. Keep on inhaling. Ashwinyau pahi Bharani Kritika Rohini Nakshatra Shaktimavahayami Mrugashira Arudra Punarvasu Pushyami Asresha Makha Nakshatra Shakti Avahayami Pubba Uttara Shakti Avahayami Hasta Chitta Swati Vishakha Anuradha Jeshtha Mula Nakshatra Shakti Sthapayami Purvashadha Uttarashadha Shravana Dhanishta Shatabhisha Purvabhadra Uttarabhadra Revati Nakshatra Shakti Avahayami. Silence your entire mind. Tighten your fists. Make a decision that you will control your tongue and never be harsh to anyone. You will be identifying your own faults and negativities, and you will shun them. You request the nakshatras to transform you into an embodiment of unconditional zoolographic love. Whether you identify your birth star or not, simply invoke all the stars into your meditation zone and your inner galaxy and let the healing happen. Things begin to happen in your favor and you will be protected from the mishaps. However, you can avoid doing this if you lack faith in the esoteric system which is attuned for your highest good and for the universal well-being. The positive energies of the 27 power stars will penetrate into your life system and clear away all the negative influences and harmful impacts that hold on strongly to your most important happenings. Relax your body. Feel the stars evaporating, vanishing into your sheets. You are totally strengthened. You are brightened. You are smiling. You are peaceful. Believe yourself. Love yourself. You are the most beautiful creation of God. There is nobody else like you. You are the one and the only one. Never give up. Don't let frustration mount upon you. Be good, do good, hear good, say good, think good. Whatever you think, it manifests. Inhale and exhale. Relax slowly, gradually. Nakshatra Dhyanam, guided astro healing galaxy meditations. Invoke the stars into your lives with utmost love and devotion. Do it daily for minimum 41 days to experience the activated energies, unconditional zoolographic love, which is the code. Faith is the master key and surrender is the password. तेजोसि तेजोमयि देहि वीर्यं सि वीर्यं मयि देहि बलमसि बलं मयि देहि ओजोसि ओजो मयि देहि मन्युरसि मन्युं मयि देहि सहोसि सहा मयि देहि ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु।